Now x minus 2 has been taken in the denominator. Now we'll simplify these terms. Thus we get x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This bracket has been broken, which will give us plus 2x and minus 4. Further simplification will give us the number x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Thus we are having the final form. To find gx, the quotient of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 and x minus 2 will give the value of gx. Now we have to divide these two terms. By dividing these two terms, using the same process of division of polynomials, we will get quotient x square minus x plus 1. The first term of quotient has been obtained by the quotient of x cube and x, which is the first term of dividend and the first term of divisor here. And then we get x square as the quotient of the first term. Then the product of these two will give us the number polynomial x cube minus 2x square. Further simplification will give us minus x square plus 3x minus 2. And the first term of the new dividend is minus x square, while the first term of divisor is x. With the quotient of these, we get the second term of the quotient, that is minus x. And with the product of this one with gx, we get minus x square plus 2x, which will give us the number, the polynomial x minus 2. And the last, the new dividend we are having x minus 2. So the first term is x, and here the first term of gx is also x. The quotient of this is plus 1. So we have to take 1 with the product of x minus 2 to get our new polynomials x minus 2. With the simplification of this, we get remainder 0. Here gx is equals to x square minus x plus 1. This has been obtained by the division of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. We are having another type of questions now. We are having various kinds of questions which I am discussing. All these type of questions are very important. You have to practice all these questions and take command over these type of questions. The question is that if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 6x square minus x minus 2, then you have to find out the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, and alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Here these questions is based on the sum and product of the polynomials. How we will solve it? To solve it, first of all, we have to find out the value of alpha and beta, which are the zeros of the given polynomial. To find out the zeros of the given polynomial, we will again use the middle term split method. Here middle term is minus x. We will split minus x in such a way that the simplification will give us minus x and the product will give us minus 12x square. Thus we find the number, the term minus 4x plus 3x, which on simplification will give us minus x, and their product will be equal to minus 12x square. Therefore we get the factorized form of these numbers as 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2. Now we will equate them for zeros. 2x plus 1 will be equal to 0, and then 3x minus 2 will be equated to 0, will give us the value x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3. Here we have factorized this number 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2, and then we have taken the common term. In the first two terms we have taken common, which is 2x, and the last two terms we do not have anything common. Then we will take universal factor 1, and then we are having two factors 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2, and by equating these two factors by and by to 0, we will get two zeros of the given polynomial. X is equal to minus 1 by 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3. Any of the term can be treated as alpha and beta. Now we will find out the value. We have taken 2 by 3 as alpha, and minus 1 by 2 as beta. Now we will find out the value of alpha plus beta. We'll put the value of alpha as 2 by 3 and beta as minus 1 by 2. We get the simplified form of these one as 1 by 6. Again we will find the value of alpha beta, the product of alpha and beta, that is equals 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 2. Its simplification will give us the result minus 1 by 3. Now we are aware of the sum of alpha and beta and the product of alpha and beta. Now we'll use these two values to find out the things which we have to solve now. In the first one, we have to find out the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. When we start solving it, we get alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square can be expressed as in this form. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b to the whole square minus 2ab. So using this identity, we will solve it, that alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta to the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now we'll put the value which we have obtained earlier, alpha plus beta and 2 alpha beta. By putting the value, we get 1 by 6 to the whole square minus 2 into minus 1 by 3, and the value of alpha beta is minus 1 by 3. With the solution of this, by simplifying, we get the value minus 25 by 12. When we will solve it, you will get minus 25 by 12. This is the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. The second one, we have to find out the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. The simplification of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equals to alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Now, since the value of alpha plus beta is given to us by 1 by 6 and the value of alpha beta is given minus 1 by 3, the simplification of this one will give us minus 1 by 2. So, the result of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equals to minus 1 by 2. The last one is alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. It is a very simple one. It is sum of alpha beta and it is the product of alpha beta. So, sum of alpha beta has been written as 1 by 6 and the product of alpha beta has been written as minus 1 by 3. With the simplification of it, we will get 1 minus 2 by 6 and that is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now, the value of this one is equal to minus 1 by 6. All these questions has been solved on the basis of sum and product of zeros.